Welcome to Healthy Cooking. Today we are going to make Aloo Masala. It's a very simple and very tasty recipe and it pairs up well with almost all Indian bread. Let's get started. I am using 8 medium-sized peeled and boiled potatoes. Add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Evenly spread it. Once oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed. Add 2 medium-sized green chili and fry it for a minute. Quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, quarter teaspoon chili powder. Give this a mix and at low to medium flame cook it for 1 minute. Add potatoes. Salt for taste. Toss the potatoes gently and cook for 5 to 6 minutes at medium flame. Add coriander leaves and mix it well. Aloo masala is looking really yummy. Give it a try and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.